cedar log, 8'6" long. Oh wow, 7.5 inches. 8 outside to outside probably. Inside to inside 7. And we're gonna see if we can get a 4x4 out of the middle of that. Hopefully. See if we can figure out where our 4x4 is coming out of the center of this. There's the actual heart right there. But we would probably not get a 4x4 there, so we'll probably have to move up. We're probably looking at there to there. And probably a little off center there also. Not too bad. There to there. Probably looking at that for a 4x4. Definitely not down here, so we'll probably be moving up here. Probably be that one. So the 4 will probably not be centered in this one. But we're gonna see what we get, where we're at. Won't know till we get into it for sure. That opening cut is always, that opening cut is always nice. Always nice looking. Nice purple. Hopefully that won't be my 4x4, that's skinny. But it's a nice opening cut. That'll flip. There's my 4x4. I got plenty of room there. So now we've got, we got a bent tape measure, piece of crap tape measure. Gotta fix that. Can't use that one. We got 5 1/4 by 5 1/4, so we can get our 1-inch board off either side of this. The core's right here, so it looks like I need to take 1 1/4 inch off this side. So we're gonna see what we got here. We got a lot of white. We got a lot of white in here. We got a lot of white on this side. We got a lot of white on this side. A lot of white in here. So that would mean I want to take a 1 inch off this side and a 1 inch off this side, which is not what I would normally want to take off to have that core perfectly centered. To have that core perfectly centered, I would want to, I don't know if it was recording or not, but it just kind of locked up. But here's the 4x4 cedar, 8 foot long. Got a nice 4x4 out of it. At least a 1/4 inch there. 1/4 inch there. And maybe a 1/2 inch there. But then we got these 3 1-bys. This one's already edged. This one will probably need edged. And this one will definitely need edged. May not get much out of this one. May just edge that back half down there and then don't worry about this front half. We got 3 1-bys and 3 little ones. So I got 3 of these 1/2 inch because I didn't like, you know, the log doesn't always come out like you planned. You get to looking on the inside of the log and you don't like something and you change your plans. And so I had to take these 3 little ones instead of another big one. I wanted to take 1 inch off one side, but that would have left too much stuff on the other side that I didn't like. So, and I'm trying to get to 4x4s. That's what we're after. We're not after this. We're not after that. We're going to use it all. We're going to use that. We're going to use that. But that's what we're after, the 4x4.